Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas. 22 Tesla Model Y, full front paint protection film with some rear splash guards. We'll go over this real quick, show you how we do the installs here at Clear Brown, North Dallas. First of all, I'll start with the tow hook. Everything gets wrapped in to the bumper, so no line outside the bumper, and the full tow hook gets wrapped all the way around the edge, so there's no lines. Everything down below is all wrapped in, all the edges, all this coming up around here, all wrapped in. Our frunk and fender, all wrapped in. Our headlights, big deal here. Most run a line outside here. We wrap it all the way underneath. So everything gets covered. That whole edge is gonna get beat up by rocks. Our T removed, placed back in the same orientation on the frunk. Coming over to the passenger side, much of the same work. The frunk lid and the fender all wrapped in, and again the headlight area, actual metal fender wrapped into that area all the way around. Bumper also getting wrapped in, and wrapped in beyond this plastic flare for the fender, and the fender also getting wrapped underneath so there's no line. Our cameras all getting wrapped in as well, and coming up here where the A-pillar meets, we wrap that in underneath so there's no line here. Okay, and wrapping in here again up into the front. The mirror fully end to end, all the way done, and all the way wrapped inside. Okay, so there it is. Oh, and the splash guards. So this is a big area, gets hit from the front wheel, so you'll see barely, and it wraps into the door, so we don't have that line or that line. We just deal with this. So they sell them at Tesla, but we make one a little bit bigger, and I think it's about the same bucks, $100 for both sides. So there it is, 22 Tesla Model 3, XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film, 10-year guarantee. Installation guarantee is the life that you own the car. And then I can't remember what I was going to say about the window film, XR Plus window film. We'll go on this later, but that is the highest heat rejection film available today. So for the Tesla products with that big glass roof on top, great film to keep that cabin cool. So any questions, clearbrownnorthdallas.com, 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching. Take care.